Well, you don't live in Fort Worth and you don't live in Tarrant County unless you know Jim Lane.
Fort Worth Police Officers Association President Manny Ramirez spoke to Jim Lane just a couple weeks ago. Lane was an attorney, a former city councilman for 12 years, and founded the famous Fort Worth Herd.
Jim was a public servant. Jim cared deeply about Fort Worth, about Western heritage. He imparted that on every single person who he came in contact with.
Lane had struggled with health issues for several years and passed away Sunday morning.
He was a relentless defender of police officers. He truly believed that police officers were our heroes.
His latest defense was for former Fort Worth officer Aaron Dean, who's charged with murdering Atatiana Jefferson in her home in 2019. Jury selection is scheduled to start Monday.
I am very sure that tomorrow morning they are going to approach the judge and ask the judge to give them a continuance.
Defense attorney and former prosecutor Valerie Baston expects Dean's defense will likely get a brief delay in the case. The judge is still weighing a motion to move the trial.
But I do believe the judge will give defense a continuance to regroup, do some reassignments, and to see if they want to bring on another attorney to assist.
But back in May, attorneys Bob Gill and Miles Brissett, who'd taken over for Lane, asked the case to be delayed because of his health issues. The judge agreed, but said the defense would need to replace Lane or be prepared to move on without him. The case has already been delayed several times.
And with this being a murder case, a high-profile case, you know, it wasn't unusual to have some continuances, but the impact of COVID added to that.
Now the city both mourns and wonders what's next for its highest profile trial in recent memory. In Fort Worth, I'm William Joy.